What's up, smart money gang? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. So yeah, I started the week off with the pre-analysis, man, off the break. And yes, it went completely nice, right? It went really, really, really nice. I didn't get no feedback from you guys though. I think I'm gonna need you guys to just like start commenting, man. Just leave me some different suggestions, or you can go on my social media page and always do like ask me any type of questions that you want to ask or any type of videos that you want me to drop. You know what I'm saying? And I got you guys. So yeah. But today I was just sitting back, man. I was thinking about you guys, and I'm like, man, you know what? I want to give somebody something today. I want to give out something today. And I was like, I just came up with this crazy plan, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna give out another scalping strategy, right? I hope that the last scalping strategy that I put out for you guys is actually working. And I believe that was the alligators, right, with the SAR, basically using the SARs as resistance and support. And then we using the green alligator to come out the water as support, and then we're looking at the green alligator to go back in the water as resistance, right, guys? So I hope that that was like kind of nice for you guys. But I wanted to give you guys another strategy, right? Using indicators, right? So we do also know that we do not just basically solely depend on these indicators because they actually lag. So when I first started out trading, I used a lot of indicators. It was to be training wheels, right? It was to like train my mind to be able to think like, what is this? What's going on? You know, I can't find higher lows and lower highs, right? So then I would start using indicators, and I would pile my chart up with a lot of indicators, and it would kind of confuse me, guys. So I just wanted to give you guys, a indicator strategy that we use for confluences as well, guys. We use these as different confluences, right? We don't just base the trade off of these indicators, but we use them solely for like just a confluence, right? Just another reason or probability to place a trade or to hold a trade. Okay, guys. So you already know I got to start the timer though, man. I love y'all. And we can go into private mentorship. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a financial advisor, but I can mentor you guys and help you guys try to take that trading to the next level. Just by off my experiences and shorten your learning curve. And you guys don't have to make the same mistakes, then you already know what to do, man. It'll be in the description. You can go check out the website, smsfxmentor.com. We got .store. We got a lot of stuff going on now, guys. But man, I don't want to waste you guys' time. I'm gonna share the screen and get right into the bag, yo. You know what time it is, right? You know the vibes. You know the vibes. So we gonna rock with a pair that I don't really trade. But you guys, you know, try it out, right? I don't know what might work for you, right? Different strokes for different folks, right? Different times for different people, right? They might be trading at different times of the day. And I can't really control that, and I can't really decide that for you guys. It's all up to you. Trading is up to you. This can be your friend. You need 40, $50, $100. You need that extra light bill. You can actually go on here. Yeah, it's a risk, but you have to have risk to reward ratios, and you have to have risk management, and you have to have your psychology down pat and your methodology down pat in a nice strategy, right? So me, I do pure price action, but I just want to give you guys a quick scalping strategy that could actually work, right? And also help you find like exhaustion in like weak areas, or help you also identify trends and identify different patterns, and also let you see when price is consolidating or liquidating, uh ranging, whatever you want to call it, guys. So anyways, right, this is how I would use this now with this indicator, which is the Bollinger Band. And you would need some type of oscillator, right? So you would need like a RSI or a stochastic. In this situation, I'm using a stochastic, guys. And you can go on here and you can play with it and find different numbers that work out for you guys. I don't really want to give my numbers out specifically, because I don't want to sit here and say, okay, yeah, I use these numbers and they work for me, and then just like trying to say like, oh, it'll work for you, right? Use will work for you. Okay, remember that this is key, because when I first started out, I didn't understand that and I didn't know that, and I would use what everybody else was doing, and I was not, I was not having a good trade, a good trading experience, or was not creating a good environment or a habit, right? I was creating a bad habit. So like I said, this is for scalping, man. This is for in and out trades. You just kind of get your money and get out, trying to make a couple dollars, whatever. Your risk to reward tight. You're not trying to blow your account. You know how you can make $10 to $20 a day and be okay with it, $5 or whatever, $5, $10 at a time. Snatch your money in and out, in and out. Okay. So boom. Now you go to this indicator part right here, right? We already know about trading view by now, right? And then we go here, we go to Bollinger Bands, right? So what you want to do is you want to put your Bollinger Bands, you want to click on that, and then you want to set it to 200, guys. Like I said, pick what works for you, but this is just the numbers I'm going to throw out. Okay. 200, right? That's a freebie. So then you want to go to right here where you see stochastics. You want to go to there or click on that, and then you want to go to relatively strength index, and you want to click on that. Then you want to play on it with the numbers to see what works for you, right? So boom. Now, guys, this is how this works, right? So what you're going to be looking for, so you can, oh, I'm sorry. So the Bollinger Bands, the colors that I have is Africa. I have red, black, and green. Okay. So the green is my buy zone. In the middle is like my ranging zone, right, guys? So it's ranging, liquidation, right? And then the top, which is the red, is the blood, right? The bleeding. When the market bleeds, you eat. No, I'm just joking, but yeah, but it's just for sale, right? So what I would do in this situation, and I'm just scalping, dude. So I'm just scalping and I'm watching patterns and just say, hey, I can't really find resistance, or I can't really find support. This red is my resistance, and then this green is my support, guys. So now once I get a bump off of this resistance, I sit and I wait and I look at structure, or I look at what the candles are telling me, what price is telling me, guys. So if I sit here and watch what price is telling me and I find good entries, then I can take this red down to this green, as you see right here, guys. And then the same thing here, if price does not come back up towards my ranging area, I know that I'm solely still looking for sales, guys. So as you see, price still going down, still going down. Now, mind you, we all got key levels. We already know this. This is sourced. If you don't know what key levels are, you can go check it out in an older video that I got up for you guys on the page, right? So that's pretty much how this would work, right? And that is what pretty much how I would solely base my trades off, and understanding, which way price is actually going. Is price trending? Is it ranging? So is it going up in an uptrend? Is it going down in a downtrend? And then also just make sure you're at one of the support levels or resistance level. That is how it can be more probability and confluence, and be more have you with more confidence in taking and placing the trade. So as you see, guys, from the red down to the green, red down to the green, red down to the green, then we got some up examples, right? We above the black, which is like the halfway mark, the ranging mark. So we're slowly looking for buys, right? It's above. It's almost like the EMA strategy, using your moving averages, right? Exponential. But it's just like that. And you can kind of catch a lot of, not a crazy amount of pips. Sometimes it can be crazy amounts, right? So see right here, this is like 60, 70 pips right here, just this scalp right here. So you could have got in somewhere. Prices above our range and moment, and so we can go ahead and try to look for this buy, and then depending on boom, we can take this buy up to the next high, or we can take it up to this red point right here. It's all up to us. We can move our stops. It's all up to you how you trade. You might want to get in the trade here, and you might say, hey, I want to take it all the way up to this next key level. And you get in, you find you a good spot right up in here off the green, or failure to get to the green, and then you boom, you ride that bad sucker up. You ride that sucker up, and then boom, there you go, right at a key level, right, guys? So I'm not trying to make none of this stuff up. I'm not trying to scare you guys and say, oh, you know what, you should only use indicators or whatever. I'm not going to disturb indicators, because basically when you're a beginner, guys, you got to train your eyes to be able to see what you need to see. So that's why I taught you guys patterns and things like that. And if you don't know what patterns are, you can reference it in the older videos, right? Or you can just go to the website, go to the Discord, and then go look at all the patterns and different things. Like, hey, you might like a certain pattern that you might like. You might like, hey, if I put a lot of different strategies on here, you might start like, okay, let me catch on. Let me use this strategy with this strategy. Or matter of fact, I don't like how he used them two with that. I would rather use this with this, right? Forex about figuring yourself out, right? Then overall becoming a better person, right? Because everybody wants time, right? We all want time. That's the key to everything. That's the key to success, right? It's the time, right? The time that we put in, the time that we can go spend with our families, the time we can go on vacation, the time we can go and do what we as we please, when we please, and how we please, right, guys? We all want time, right? Money is very, very important. Money can actually get you time, right? So, you want that freedom, you want that lifestyle, then you got to put in the work. You're gonna come on here, you're gonna go over everything that I'm showing you. And look, what I'm saying when I say reference and index it, why go all over the planet and look for different things? Why aren't these traders trying to show you guys some things that you can try out for free while you're demoing? Right, until you can want to be serious about this and take this seriously to take it to the next level, and then you're going to be like, okay, boom, let me know what do I need to know, what give me everything else, right? Let me put everything else to recipe right now. You can go ahead and what is this hurting you just to learn some free knowledge? I don't understand how people wouldn't want to hop on this to understand something new, right? To learn something that can give you freedom, time. Not telling you like, oh, quit your job, you're gonna make $1 million tomorrow. But as you progress and grow and start and get understanding for this, you can actually be able to do whatever you please, right? So all I'm gonna say is, guys, you know, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you know someone that's serious about trying to take bigger steps in life and trying to change life or trying to find out something different and trying to find out what they might have been missing, right? Something that they might be good at, right? But everybody is saying, no, don't do this, don't do that. Don't let no one project their fears onto you, guys. And we got to get out the 50s and the 60s, right? We grew up with people that was from in the 50s and the 60s and the 70s, and no salt or no shade, but it's 2021, guys. So take advantage of all this opportunity, all these new opportunities out here. Anything that you want to do, you can dream and think it can be done, guys. So just believe in that, believe in yourself, and yeah, let's get it, man. Let's get it. Game on game, man. We about to get it, dog. Y'all know what time it is.